Hi and welcome! In this video, we will show how to do a simple forward roll into the water in 3 easy steps. This exercise helps prepare for the diving head first. Before trying it, your child should already be able to do the cannonball jump. If you haven't seen that video, you'll find the link in the description. Here's how it works. Step 1. The child stands with both feet right at the pool edge. This is very important, so there's no risk of hitting the head on the side. Step 2. Then they lean forward with the upper body, tuck their chin down, bend their knees, and let the rolled up body fall forward. Step 3. They stay in this tucked position until they have completed a full roll. The water should be at least 5 feet deep for this exercise. The pool you see in this video is just an example and definitely not deep enough. Also, make sure there are no people or objects in the way. As long as the child's feet start at the very edge and there's enough depth and space, this exercise is generally safe. If you want to find more exercises, common mistakes, or a structured 10-week plan on teaching your children how to swim, visit swimy.org. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.